Welcome to this short video on how to get started using SolvencyTool. Initially, please open your browser and go to our website solvencytool.com. In the upper right corner, you will find a button or a link to log in. Please click that and provide your credentials. We normally use two-factor authentication, which means that you will get a separate code either on your mobile as a text message or on your mail. This is what it looks like when you log into the tool for the first time. Please go to the Help menu to find the proper Excel add-ins for installation. Initially, I will install the add-in for calculating the SCR. And secondly, I will install the add-in for the QRTs. Having done that, I will have two links on my desktop, one for calculating the SCR and a second one for using the QRTs. Thank you so far, and please watch more videos on how to use the products.